So we did the full join. We have that in here, and here's our schema. And if you're just catching this online, that's where you go to get to all these notes right here. Well, you'll find all the code under the music database. You can take the whole course eventually right here, so come check it out. And so we got our all of our data returned, and now we could start to look at our textbook. And our textbook wants us to solve 509. Wants us to solve show me bands that play in jazz and have more than 3 members. Well, I'm not sure we got that much stuff, because if we look at our query, we don't see the number of members in each one. So let's start out. We've got a lot of country and we've got a lot of rock. Those showed up a couple of times. We got 5 in each, 5 entries in each one. So I don't know if we have enough records to kind of get more than 3. I think we'd have to insert more records, so maybe we'll do that now. And to insert more records, we're going to need maybe, I guess we just need, we want to see which ones more than 3 members. So we need to insert more band members. So we left off on 8, and we could just randomly generate some to insert into the band members. So let's do that. So we're going to insert into band members just to get more band members so we could do this query that's in the book. And we'll start on 9. And we want to go through up through 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on that one. And we want to go through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this one. So that's kind of what we're shooting for. And that's what we need to code to randomly generate. So Golang playground. And we're going to print ran.int_n. And it'll be like 6 or 5 plus 1. And let's format and see if it brings in the ran package. It did not. And so we'll put math rand. I don't know why it doesn't bring that in for me. And run it. Undefined int n, maybe it's lowercase. 2. And then we'll do this a couple of times and just see what comes out. I equals 0, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. And we'll format that. And so we got 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're getting 1 through 5. And we need the first number to start at 8, I think. So what's the first number we want to start at? We want to start at 9 because we already have band members through 8. So we'll start at 9. And that'll be the first thing we get, 9. And then we're going to have 1 through 5. And then again, we'll have 1 through 5. Oh, because it's only going to 10 now. I'll do it to 20. I'm like, why did we get 2 results? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And the other ones are the new members. And so then now we just have to add in opening parenthesis and closing parenthesis. And now we have to add in commas after each one of these. So comma is going to be, and it's going to have to, since it's a new member in our string, have a comma at the end of it. So we'll have a comma after this, and we'll have a comma after this, and we'll have a comma after this. So that's kind of what we're looking for, but we just want to print without a line break. And we don't want that trailing comma. Oh, but we do want the comma right here. There we go. And we'll do, I don't know, run. And now copy that. And we'll insert those values here and get rid of that last comma. And insert that into band members. You know, we just inserted a whole bunch more band members. So now we should be able to do this query. Show me the groups that the bands that play jazz and have more than 3 members. So we have a whole bunch of members that have been added to bands. And a lot of them have the same name, because we didn't do a bunch of different people with names. So I'll copy this code here to randomly generate that. Copy it, and I'll paste that in to our code, which will end up in that document. Okay. Next one we'll work on the query.